Hey everyone, I want to show you how to replace your 6-inch light with an 11-inch light. This is the product I will be using from Home Depot. This is my current product and this is what I want. I will be using an impact gun. And what you want to do is turn off all of your power. The product that I have right now is a 6-inch. It's a twist off cap exposing the 2 screws. And same thing is for this 11-inch. It's a twist off as well. This is the bracket that we're going to be using that's going to mount on our new light with all of the nuts provided. First, twist off your cap, exposing the 2 screws. Using your impact gun, unscrew the 2 screws. And now pull the wire out and unscrew the black, white, and green in that order. Take this new bracket and mount it on using your impact gun. You are screwing to plastic, so don't overdo it, but you want the bracket pretty tight and pretty flush with the ceiling. The new light has this safety feature. You connect it to the bracket so the light doesn't fall off. And now you take the wire, pull the wire through the center of the bracket. That is very important. And now you want to take your 2 wires, align them together. Take your nut, put your nut over, and then start spinning. When the wire begins to spin over 3 times, that should be enough. Now take all of your wires and put them snug inside the cup. And then once that is in, take your light, push it in, and twist it on. Turn all of your power back on. Once your power is back on, you are safe to try out your light. And just like that, our light works. Thanks for watching, guys.